Your comment made me do it. Here's how you could do nail art without any special tools. Okay, there's one exception, and that's a cleanup brush because I think it is absolutely essential, and this one is a $4 paintbrush from the craft store, so you don't need anything crazy. Don't forget the acetone as well as something to wipe your brush on. We're just going to use the bottle brush for the art, so start by wiping off one side entirely and most of the other side as well. You just want a little blob to work with. Press down lightly and try to paint with the very edge of the brush. Don't worry if it isn't perfect, we'll do a second coat. I like to clean up right away, so just dip your brush in acetone, dab it a little bit, and wipe away whatever polish got on your skin. This design is just abstract shapes, so you could do this with any one nail color or a combo of colors. I chose 5 because I'm switching out one color on every nail, and this plus the fact that I'm reversing the shapes on every other nail helps it look more complex than it actually is. I haven't tried this brand before, and the pink wasn't my favorite, but the green and the red and the blue were almost kind of jelly-like. It looked really juicy, like, oh, look how freaking shiny that is. Make sure to apply top coat so your art lasts longer, but this ended up so cohesive and was incredibly easy but looks so good. I am in love with these. I hope you like them too, and I hope that this was helpful. Let me know if you have any more requests in the comments, and okay, thank you, bye!